Hello there! Welcome to the latest episode of activeCollab Recaps. This month, we're bringing you great news. Our MCP server is now available to everyone. We also updated the cost summary report. Keep watching to learn more. MCP Server. activeCollab is now AI native. With our new MCP server, you can securely connect your workspace to powerful AI models like Claude. Think of it as a universal plug for your live project data. You decide which tools get access. You can also set your connection to read-only so your data stays protected. You can work in activeCollab without even being in activeCollab. Your AI refers to your actual project history, so you get real context, not hallucinations. For example, with one command, you can ask AI to find a task, log the hours you spent working on it, leave a comment in your name to keep your coworkers in the loop, and even close the task. And it doesn't end there. Connect multiple servers to do more. Here, we're asking AI to help us prepare for demos and new user onboarding by going through our intercom conversations and creating a task in activeCollab for each user who asked for support, all done using a single prompt. It's your data, your choice of AI, and a faster, more flexible way to run your business. Cost Summary Report. Filter project cost summary reports by period and group them by job type or people to get a clearer view of all your billable and non-billable project expenses. See which roles and activities are driving profit and which are costing you money. That's it for March. See you back next month.